Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto.
Over the past few days, Bitcoin has experienced an incredible surge in ETF inflows. On October 11th, we saw roughly $254 million coming in, followed by $556 million on October 14th, $371 million on the 15th, $459 million on the 16th, and just yesterday, another $471 million of inflows. Now, to put this into perspective, Bitcoin's protocol mints just 3.125 Bitcoin per block, and with an average of 144 blocks mined per day, that gives us about 450 new Bitcoins every single day. At the current price of $68,000 per Bitcoin, this amounts to around $30.6 million in newly created Bitcoin every day. Now think about this. On just one day alone, ETF inflows added over $470 million into Bitcoin, which is more than 15 times the value of newly minted Bitcoin on that same day. It's like having a factory that produces only 450 units per day, but customers are demanding over 6,000 units. The demand is absolutely overwhelming the supply. This massive discrepancy between limited new supply and high inflows creates significant pressure on the price. With such overwhelming demand, it's only a matter of time before Bitcoin pushes to higher levels. And speaking of price, the liquidation heat map shows us the next critical magnet at $69,100, with another key level down at $67,700. If I had to choose a direction, momentum is clearly favoring the upside, and I wouldn't be surprised if we hit that 69,100 level very soon. Looking at the daily chart, our flashback indicator is showing average gains of 1.78% and average losses of 1.28% on Fridays. With a daily candle open at 67,400, this suggests we could be moving between 66,500 and 68,600 today. Bitcoin looks poised to break out towards that 70,000 mark, but let's see how the weekend plays out. Historically, weekends tend to underperform, with Sundays closing negatively more often than not. But Monday is the day when Bitcoin tends to pump, and it's also when the weekly candle closes. Speaking of the weekly chart, just look at this massive green candle. Bitcoin has gained nearly 10% in 1 week, breaking above the long-term downtrend that's been in place since March. This is a very bullish sign, and if we can maintain this momentum into next week, we could be looking at much higher levels ahead. It's going to be a very interesting few days, so stay tuned. Make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more insights on Bitcoin's price action. And see you in the next one.